Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to turn off and on notifications on the Happn application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom left corner, we have the Explorer. We also have as the second one the Hub, Map, the Likes, and in the bottom right corner, we have the Chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn off and or on Happn notifications. So to turn Happn notifications off or on, follow these 4 steps. Firstly, launch the Happn app on your mobile device, as I told you in the start of the video. Then tap on the settings icon in the app. You can click on the top right corner and then go down, and here you have the settings as you can see. Then find and select the notifications option. After that, after finding the notifications, use the toggle turn the specific notifications on or off according to your preferences. This will help you manage your notifications and stay updated only when you want to be. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.